Hey everyone, welcome back to Dubious Engineering. Testing some new camera gear, trudging up the hill towards Nibley Monument. It's not called Nibley Monument, it's in North Nibley, but it's actually called Tyndale Monument. The guy that it's named after is a gentleman that translated the Bible in the 1500s. They killed him for it. So strong suggestion, don't translate the Bible. Anyway, we're on our way up there to fly some drone, get some drone footage. So it's uphill, right, babe? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let's go see if we can find this Tyndale Monument now. This magnificent place though, it's absolutely beautiful, woodlands all around, and it looks absolutely magnificent. Peace and quiet. Not, they've got a field full of scrambling motorcycles going on across the way, but hey, that's not going to put us off. When we get to the top, the views are going to be magnificent. Up here.
Bye-bye.
And there we have it, peeps. Hi! Oh, it's Vicky's birthday today.
Not today.
Oh no, Monday. Vicky's birthday on Monday. Say happy birthday to Vicky in comments below. Anyway, there we go. Tyndale Monument.